Welcome everyone to week 2 of our course. This week's reading includes Chapter 3, Physical Education Curriculum Models, and Chapter 4, the Achievement-Based Physical Education Curriculum Model, or the ABC model. And this is the model that you're going to use to develop your curriculum. It's just one of several different models, but this is the one you'll focus on. Additionally, this week is your curriculum development step number 2, which is defining your curriculum goals. And I've posted the written documentation for this step as well as a video to help you understand how to complete it. Also this week, you should use the discussion forums to start creating your curricular team. After looking at the information in the welcome post, begin to reach out to your classmates through the forum and determine who would make a good fit for your curricular team. No more than 4 members per group. There will be some challenges in developing and meeting with your final curricular team because there are some of you who teach at different locations, various grade levels, or even coach different sports and coach at different levels. So work together to address these challenges as they arise. Now, let me backtrack a bit because I know some of you still have questions about this process. The idea is to develop a realistic curriculum. And to do this, you must decide as a curricular team what direction you're going to take yours. If your group is made up of mainly high school coaches, for example, you may want to focus on an athletics curriculum for high school. And this should include the expectations for all the sports offered within the high school and not only the ones you coach. I have in the past offered some flexibility for those groups who coach uniquely different sports, though. If you have some questions, just ask me. Keep in mind that you are not developing a specific or individual coaching or sport program, rather an overall athletics program, which includes the various sports you coach. If your group is made up of mainly teachers, you must select a grade level group to design your curriculum for. This means you're not developing a program curriculum for one specific grade level. You'll need to address the overall curriculum level. So for elementary, include grades K through 5. For middle school, grades 6 through 8. And for high school, include grades 9 through 12. And you'll want to give your program or your school a fictional name, but you're still developing all the steps to realistically mimic an actual program, preferably your current professional program if possible, if that makes sense. Hopefully, this provides a little bit more guidance on the process of completing the curriculum project. If you're still not sure, ask questions. Also, view the curriculum development step number 2 video and read the assignment guidelines for more information on completing this step. There's a lot of things that goes on in this. There are 2 parts, the individual goal list and the collaborative completed list of 10 goals. Your final curricular teams should be determined by the end of the week. If you're not included in a group, you'll either be placed in a group, at which point group members should be flexible in understanding and work with the individuals who are placed in their group rather than give them minimal work, or you will be given the option of completing the curriculum individually. While I have allowed this in the past, I don't suggest or recommend this as an option often because there is a lot of work involved. And most individuals who complete this by themselves not only have difficulty, but rarely produce quality work. Now, lastly, take a look at the group meeting minutes form. Although you're expected to discuss and share and collaborate in the development of your step number 2, you're not required to complete and submit the minutes this week, but I do want you to know what is required and expected when completing the minutes form. And that will do it for this week. As usual, let me know if you have any questions. See you online.